Good noon, everyone. I, Elba Ponda, on behalf of Department of English, welcome you all for the performance of some selected scenes from the play Final Solutions by Mahesh Dattani. Before moving forward with the program, I would like to call Dhatri Parmar for her performance on the Shloka of Art. Dhatri.
आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्वमयम् आहार्य चन्द्रतारादि त्वं नमः स्वातिकं शिवम्
Thank you, Dhatri, for a very good performance. Usually, we know that before starting any program, we go down to our God, or we can say the energy, the nature. So it was the prarthana, the prayer for God, which normally the art people pray for. Once again, I would like to welcome Dr. Dilip Barar sir, faculties, guests, old, you can say ex-students, research scholars, and all the people here. Now, we are presenting some selected scenes from the play Final Solutions here. Before presenting the scenes, I would like to share some things with you because this play will be in English. So I can find that there are some Gujarati people, my friends who are working with me as artists who perform Gujarati play. There are many students from department who are still studying in English and who have taken admissions in English department. So it is not going to be a Gujarati play, but an English play. So another thing, Mahesh Dattani and Final Solutions. So it is the part of their syllabus. It is in their syllabus to study drama. And now, for the second time in department, we have thought that we are going to perform the drama. Mahesh Dattani, he is Indian writer who talks about Indian issues, which is at your home, at my home, at our home. The drama is on that particular issue. And before throwing much light on the drama or the theme, I would like to make you aware the theme through this scene. Presenting the first scene of the play.
बटने का दर्द कहने से कम होता है क्या? फर्क रंगों में तलाशो तो अच्छा है। पैदाइश में इंसान के फर्क होता है क्या? खून से सनी ईंट जो हमने लगाई थी बुनियाद में, वक्त की उस इमारत में दर्द की खिड़कियां आज भी बंद हैं। आंसू सूखे हैं, हवा थमी है, तुमने उस हवा की नमी सही है क्या? दूरियों की सलाई से धीरे धीरे वो स्वेटर बुना है जो इंसान ने आज तक पहना है, इसको उतारने की जरूरत नहीं है क्या?
Dear Diary, today, for the first time, I have dared to put my thoughts on your pages. Today, how will people know when today was 100 years from now? 31st March 1948. 31st March 1948. I'm sharing my innermost thoughts with you. Nobody else know what do I think, how do I feel, except now, you. No, I don't want to write my new name, given after marriage. Hardika?
Hari's Hardika.
I shall start by explaining why I suddenly invented you and why I need to tell you my secrets. All my dreams have shattered. I can never be a singer like a Noor Jahan. Hari's family is against my singing of film songs. They heard when I humming a love song to Hari last night. And this morning, they told him to tell me. Oh, this is so confusing. I should write more clearly. I got married to Hari 10 months ago. And last week, I came here to my new home on my 15th birthday. But I'm just a young girl who does not matter anyone outside her home. Let it be. I should talk about more important things. Like last year, in August, we gained independence. You should have even. Everybody was waiting for a midnight. Like a school children on the last day of school. Waiting for a bell on the last class before vacation. Rushing out, shouting, screaming, fighting.
Freedom. It was freedom.
My father had fought for that hour. He was happy when it came. He said he was happy. We were rid of Britishers. But he said something that I didn't understand then. He said they left, but they let the loose dogs. But that night, in Husainabad, in our ancestral house, I heard them outside. As their voice grew louder, I blamed them more and more for my father's absence. The windows were broken one by one. I could see the fire they were carrying. Me and my mother, we hid in a puja room. I clutched to my mother, and my mother clutched to the family idol of Lord Krishna. She was praying, not for us, but for my father, whenever he may be. And suddenly, I looked at the idol, and I had most horrible thought. I feel afraid to repeat it here, but I must. I felt that the idol I'd grown up seeing my mother worship is just a painted doll. A doll no different than ones I used to play with, and thought it was a real person. I knew Krishna was slapping on my face, punishing me for being a non-believer. And then the stool hit to a gramophone table. My entire record of correction. Krishna chose to destroy what I loved the most. All the lovely words. Noor Jahan, Suraya Begum, Shamshed Begum. All the lovely words. Shatter.
जा रही है यूं जैसे चांदनी की बारात जा रही है चलने को अब फलक से तारों
After 40 years, I opened my diary again and I wrote a dozen of pages before, a dozen of pages now. A young girl's childish scribble, an old woman's shaky crown. Yes, things have not changed that much.
आवाज दे कहाँ है दुनिया मेरी जवां है
The procession has passed through this land every year for 40 years.
How dare they? For 40 years, our area has moved the Mullahs.
Why did they? Why did they today? How dare they?
They broke our wrath. They broke our chariot.
And fell on our gods.
This is our land. How dare they?
It is in their blood.
It is in their blood to destroy.
Why should they?
It could have been an accident. The stone that hit our god was no accident. The knife that slit Pooja's stomach was no accident.
Why should they?
It could have been an accident.
No accident. No accident.
The stone that hit our god was no accident. The knife that slit Pujari's stomach was no accident.
No accident. Send them back. Send them back.
Drive them out.
Drive them out.
Kill the sons of swine.
Drive
Kill
them out.
the sons of
Drive them out.
Kill the
Drive
sons of
them out.
swine.
Send them back.
Drive them out.
Drive them out.
Send them back.
Drive them out. Drive them out.
It was the first scene, as we are not watching the full play. So I would like to throw some light on some characters. You have seen variation in the characters, and this is the mastery of Mahesh Dattani, that is putting forward past, present, as well as the chorus, the society here. So this drama is being performed in 3 spaces, but due to some constraint, we are not able to justify that thing with a small stage. One another thing to clear, Daksha and Hardika are the same person presenting scene 2. Characters: Bhumi as Smita, Jai as Javed, Akash as Bobby, Akshay as Ramani, presenting scene 2.
It's so clear to me.
I am sure, Javed, everything will be all right, and idols will be removed, and curfew will be lifted, and at last, we can go home.
There were rumors that Pujari was killed, but nothing was mentioned in the news.
I'm sorry I couldn't find any spare mattresses. You will have to put up with the hard floor for the night.
I'm used to it.
Yes, I'm sure.
What do you mean?
He doesn't have a proper home.
Oh, yes. You did say you don't live with your parents.
He is looking for a job, and that's why he came to Amargaon, and I came too, to help Javed.
Perhaps I can help him. I have a sari shop in Kapda Bazaar. I could use your help. You like the job. You can handle that Vora and Memon women who usually passes by our showroom. You can stand outside and call them in. What do you say? It's my pleasure to give you that job. Take the job, please.
No,
No?
you can't. You must not.
What do you mean?
You came to Omargaon to find a job, did you?
Yes, that's what I said.
Did you?
What are you trying to say?
Did you or did you not?
Yes.
Liar!
Smita,
Liar!
Don't!
I know why. She told me.
You know nothing.
Let her speak.
What fools you have made of us. You're the victims and we the offenders.
What do you know of me? Only what my sister has told you?
Is there anything more?
Yes, there is more to it than what you know.
Isn't that why he was thrown out of his house?
No.
He was thrown out of his house. His father threw him out. He didn't leave them. Tasneem told me.
Say it. I don't care.
They hire him. They hire such people.
They who?
Those parties. They bring him and many more to the city to create riots, to throw the first stones.
You betrayed her after all. You promised her you wouldn't tell. She only told you because you promised. She was so sure you wouldn't. Traitor.
I had won him over. I had almost won him over.
The curfew is going on outside. And what happens when the other person, other community's person, so-called society's tag that we are given, come in your house. This is Gandhi's house. And what happens there? It was projected, it was presented here. Presenting scene 3. Characters: Riya as Aruna, Unnati as Smita. Presenting scene 3.
Mummy, thank you for making me feel like a rat in a hole. What makes you think you have all the answers? Don't you have any respect for who you are? I shudder to think what will become of your children. What kind of sanskar you will give them when you don't have any in yourself? It is all very well to have progressive ideas, but are you progressing or are you drifting? God knows, I don't want all this violence. And how can I? I won't even harm a god or a chicken. For so many generations we have preserved our sanskar because we believe it is the truth. It is the way which is shown to us by our saints. And I will not have it all to perish to accommodate someone else's faith. And I have enough faith and pride to see that it doesn't happen. I shall uphold what I believe is the truth. It is the only truth because you believe in it. No, I will not accept that. Not from you. Why? I will not accept. You have to. No, you cannot tell me that I am wrong. You have to. You have to admit that you're wrong. No, I will not. Why not? Because I will not accept that. I will not accept that from someone who is not proud of her inheritance. You cannot criticize the way you are running away from. You will be prejudiced. How can you expect me to be proud of something which stifles me? Yes, it stifles me. Maybe I'm prejudiced because I do not belong. But not belonging makes things so clear. I can clearly see how wrong you are. Maybe I'm embarrassed, Mommy. Yes, maybe I shouldn't be. You accuse me of running away from my religion. What if I do what you do? Praying, fasting, and purifying myself all day? Would you accept it if I've said that you're wrong? Alright, we both are prejudiced. What do I do now? Shall we go back to sleep? What? What did you say? What? That I cyber you? No. That's being a Hindu type. No. But living with one does. I never felt like that. I never think that my mother is stifling me. I have always taken pride of my religion. I grew up by listening the stories of our god and goddesses and how they protect the good people around them. I was so thankful of my mother that she showed me the right path, the path of religion, the path of truth. I was so happy. And so I threatened. Why should I? Because they don't believe in what you feel is the truth. Does that make you believe much weaker? Your two young boys made you feel so insecure. Come on, Mommy. It's time for strength. And I'm so glad those two dropped them. Otherwise, we would have never talked about it. We would have kept on living our lives with petty similarities. I never felt this, that I'm stifling my own daughter. I didn't mean to hurt you. But if you are, I can't help it. I'm not sorry. I said I'm glad. So where we go from here? What do you mean?
We can't go on. What do I do tomorrow? By knowing that I'm stifling my own daughter. All right. Do what you think is best.
So what do you want me to do now? Say sorry? Even if I'm not?
You can stop being so cruel.
I really mean it.
So, this is the end. Are you happy now?
A man is made up of his or her experiences. Experiences of being with religion. Experiencing, questioning the religion. This generation gap and following or not following the religion. કશ્મકશ અહીં બતાવવામાં આવેલ જે આગળ આ ડ્રામાને લઈ જશે. For fourth scene, I would like to invite Kusum, presenting fourth scene. Kusum as Daksha, the newly married wife.
I haven't been speaking to Hari from that day. And I couldn't even believe on Karta's false stories. So, I decided to meet Sari. That afternoon, when Kaju was asleep, we decided to wait there. As we entered, some women were clearing the table. I saw them. Sari saw me. She said, Come sit with us. Come sit with us. She wanted me to sit. She wanted me to sit. She wanted me to eat the same food. She wanted me to sit with the same table. How could cruel she be? How cruel! How cruel! I saw her eyes. It was red. Blood red. It was I couldn't even touch the table. And that smell of food. My head was spinning. I brought out something from my stomach. That smell makes me crazy. Smell make me crazy. I asked them what had happened. What's the matter? They were silent. I have to leave from them. I have to leave. Kanta, help me. Help me to leave. Serene screamed on me. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? She screamed on me. What's the matter? What's the matter? I don't know. I have to leave. Later, I learned from Kanta about the issue between Vag and Hari. They wanted to help Sari's father's shop. They helped them by buying their old buried shop. And Sari's father, he wanted more than for it. I hate these kind of people with false pride. How horrible people they are. It is like their birthright to what and water they deserve? How could cruel she be? How horrible people they are! How horrible people they are! How horrible people they are! How horrible people they are!
This particular performance was prepared in a single day. We are changing ourselves as per the experiences that we can see, we can feel. But what is about the things that we don't know? We carry that thing with us too, and that we don't want to carry those things, but we live with guilt in us. Now, moving toward the climax scene, the last scene of this play, that changes our mind, our heart, and questions our mind. Is it the final solutions or not? Presenting scene 5. Characters: Jatin as Javed, Yash as Bobby, Hiral as Hardika, Pallavi as Daksha, Rahul as Ramik, Reshma as Aruna. Presenting scene 5.
Why are you still here?
We were about to leave.
Smita said we should have breakfast and then leave.
You will have to wait till Aruna finishes her puja.
Bobby, we could leave now.
Wait. Have you ever thought to going Pakistan?
No,
Why not?
I prefer Dubai.
But there you can live your life the way you want. And for that, you don't blame other people for your failures.
Yes, you are right.
You should have done this years ago.
Yes, you are right.
Like we did. Me and my family. We left Husainabad. My father died in Husainabad. Do you want to know how?
It doesn't concern us.
It doesn't concern you. Then who does it concern?
I don't know, but it doesn't concern us.
He was beaten up on the streets while we are waiting for him at home to take us away from that hell. And he was beaten and he was died on the streets.
It still doesn't concern us. We don't want to hear it.
Look, you blame us for what happened in 15 years ago. Today, if something wrong happened with my sister, can I blame you?
If something happens to your sister, it doesn't concern me.
It doesn't concern you.
Look, she deserves it. Your sister deserves it. Zareen deserves. Wait. What did you say just your sister's name was?
Tasmeen.
Oh. I thought it was Zareen.
Now, what are you saying, Hari? It is not true. It is just not true. Kanta is lying. She lied to you. I did not touch their food. I did not touch their food. Ah! Don't hit me, please. Stop that, please. Don't do that. I swear, I didn't eat anything. Even I didn't touch anything. Please, stop. Please.
But please, leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me alone. Please, stop. They hurt me so much. Oh God, why do I have to suffer? Because of my family. Because of them. Just because I want them to be my friends? I would been have so happy if I hadn't met them. Oh, I hate this world. I hate your pride. Because of your people's pride, I lost respect forever in my husband's eyes. And I was ruined. Please, I promise I won't do it again. Please, please. Confined. Never let me go out from this home like a dog who's gone mad. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I hate the way you dress. I hate the way you look. I hate the way you eat.
What? Boss, don't blame them.
Ramanik, you don't understand how I feel.
I understand. But they are not to blame.
No, I cannot forget. I just cannot forget.
It has to be done. To prove to them that we also believe.
Don't touch.
We also believe.
Someone please stop him.
Hey. See, I am touching your God. My flesh is holding him. And look, Javed, he does not mind. He does not burn me into ashes. He does not cry out from the heavens, saying he has been contaminated. Look, he knows. He knows I cannot harm him. He knows his strength. I do not believe in him, but he believes in me. He believes in me. He smiles. He smiles at our trivial pride and our trivial shame. Look, Javed, he does not humiliate you. He does not cringe from my touch. He welcomes the warmth of my hand. He feels it. I hold him. I hold him who is sacred to them. And still, I do not commit any sacrilege. I do not commit any sacrilege. Now you can bath him day and night. You can splash holy water on him. But you cannot remove my touch from his form. You cannot remove my smell with any fragrant flowers or others. Because it belongs to a human. A human being believes, respects what other human beings believe. That is the strongest fragrance in this world. That is the strongest fragrance in this world.
Is there nothing left sacred in this world?
The tragedy is that there are too many sacred things in this world. But if we understand and believe in one another, nothing can be destroyed. Nothing can be destroyed. And if you are willing to forget, we are willing to tolerate. We are willing to tolerate. We are the one who is willing to tolerate.
So those boys left. I'm still willing not to forget. Hamri, haven't you gone to the shop?
No,
Why? Your workers will be waiting for you.
I can't go.
But why not?
I can't enter in the shop because I can't bear thinking about it.
What are you talking about?
It's their shop. And we burned the shop and bought from them in half value. Those people thinking to start mill like us, and we burned the shop in the name of communal hatred.
What?
They are not those people who hated you.
But why don't you tell me still today?
You have to live with this shame. Only few years now.
Do you think those boys will ever come back?
If you call them, they will. But then again, it's too late. They may not.
आवाज दे कहाँ है दुनिया मेरी जवां है आबाद मेरे दिल में उम्मीद का जहां है दुनिया मेरी जवां है आवाज दे कहाँ है रात जा रही है यूं जैसे चांदनी की बारात जा रही है रात जा रही है यूं जैसे चांदनी की बारात